some of the stories have words in them that we might not hear all the time and we don't use very often, really. And this story is one of those. So I thought that it'd be a good idea to let you know what the words are and what they mean before we read the book. And that way you don't have to stop and say, Mom, what does that word mean? You'd already know. So the first word is crickety. Crickety is like crickets. Crick, crick. That's what crickets sound like. That's what crickety is. Creaky, creaky, crickety. Tumble down. Tumble down is pretty much what it sounds like. Tumbling down. An old building that's kind of fallen apart. That's what tumble down means. Foul. Some of you know what foul means when you're talking about sports. It's not always such a good thing. But this fowl is a kind of bird that lives on a farm. It could be chickens or turkeys or ducks. Sometimes we eat them. Those are fowl. Garbled. If you mumble and your words kind of get mixed together a little bit, things can sound garbled. That's that word. Snoot. That's my snoot. You've got one too. Nose. Snoot is a nose. Baffled. Oh, confused. Baffled. Muttered. It's kind of like when you whisper something under your voice. Just kind of small sound when you don't really want people to hear, but they still hear you. That's muttered. Outraged. I bet you've never made your parents outraged before. It means angry and upset. Outraged. Flustered. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do. That's flustered. Daunted. Oh, do I have to? Oh, I've got so much to do. I'm a little anxious about it. That's being daunted. So those are some of the words in the book that you might not know. Another one that I thought of is doze. You have bulldozers and you have other things that use the word doze, but this one means sleep. Doze. Which I hope you should be doing soon if this is your bedtime.